Speaking Academy.
Today let's have a speaking practice using a common questions and answers for kids at school. Are you ready? What is your name?
My name is Jane.
What is your name?
My name is Jane.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3.
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Jerry.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Jerry.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I do.
What's in your bag?
A book and a pencil.
What's in your bag?
A book and a pencil.
What subject do you like?
I like math.
What subject do you like?
I like math.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Where is your book?
It's on the table.
Where is your book?
It's on the table.
May I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you may.
May I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you may.
Can I drink water, please?
Sure.
Can I drink water, please?
Sure.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
What do you want to do at school?
I read and write.
What do you want to do at school?
I read and write.
What are you doing?
I'm coloring a picture.
What are you doing?
I'm coloring a picture.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Where do you live?
I live in Davao City.
Where do you live?
I live in Davao City.
What shape is this?
It's a circle.
What shape is this?
It's a circle.
What color is this?
It's red.
What color is this?
It's red.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Is this your book?
Oh, it's not.
Is this your book?
Oh, it's not.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thanks for listening.